Elk chrome white where the wind won't sleep. Big horn shadow.
Look at that. That'll work.
Okay.
Alright, this is the Banff Gondola. 8-minute ride up.
Ice on the peaks, a frozen crown, rivers raging, tumbling down. I climb, I fall, I spin around. God's breath, cold, it bites my skin. The world's so where do I begin? Banff calls, hear it cry. Gondola climbing, scraping sky. Mountain whispers, no reason why. Hoof strike stone, a rhythm upbeat. Wild eyes stare in the forest heat. I'm small, I'm lost, incomplete. Watch your head as you get out of there.
Thank you.
Your phone really hard. I thought you were going to call us.
It's about time. We've been waiting for hours.
But when it took off, my God, it took off like a rocket.
You do realize we all travel the same speed, right?
You're done.
What?
Elevation 7486.
Is that what it said? So basically 7,500 feet. That's not that high. Oh, look at this view.
Castle Mountain Party?
Saw her on the boardwalk. Could have just gone to the West Watkins here.
What was the other one?
We'll hit that on before we go down. Of course we are. Oh, look at this view, folks.
Dad, you can walk over there.
Look at this, will you?
The other one.
7,500 feet up.
Do you see the little boat?
Look at the mountain ranges all around us.
Oh my gosh, they're not still. Do you think they're wild? And then, like, entice them?
Just gotta take this in. There's the city of Telluride right there. Telluride. Let me try that again. That's the city of Banff. Got Telluride on the mind because it kind of reminds me of Telluride. Oh, we got more to see.
Adriana, no.
Man, I smell propane. Somebody turn that on. All right, here's the name of the mountains. Look at that. Cascade Mountain, Tunnel Mountain we were on. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Mount Peachy is the one that looks different, according to Gary. Wow.
It's snowing out here, Dad.
I know, I thought I saw a flake.
It's snowing.
Snowing on us.
It is snowing out here on this little station.
It is cold. No doubt about it.
Look, you can walk all the way out there. Did you see the people coming up that were walking up the mountain?
Yeah.
Look, you can walk up there if you wanted to.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
I think I'll pass.
Look at that.
It's snowing on us.
See that over there? Where people are walking over there?
You want to climb that? I don't. Hey, there's a mountain goat. There's a ram.
Oh, there's a ram.
Let's get a better picture of this ram. Sorry about the wind noise.
Well, are we through this?
Ram.
Yeah, but, oh yeah. We have to be there for the morning. We have go around, isn't it? No, we have go around.
There is a ram right there.
I need you to.
Cool, huh?
Male should be there.
There's enough energy.
Ain't moving much.
He's cold too. We're 75
laying
feet
down.
up over Banff, and there is a ram, and it's snowing on us. Check out these mountain ranges, will you? Is that gorgeous or what? Scenery as far as the eye can see. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any adventure here in Canada and heading to Alaska. Look at that.
Pindrada.
They're young, yeah.
Bring us to the promised land.
There's the Mountain Carey, says it looks different.
Yeah.
It's Mount Peachy.
Yeah.
That's Mount Peachy.
Because that, yeah, it's probably gonna be really early to like be able to get
Alright, I'm going to take a walk around, all the way around this thing. So, give you a view all the way around. It is gorgeous. Oh yeah, look at this. get down.
I might pack man or what?
No, this is where the hikers come up. Look at that. View all the way around. All right, there's a view all the way around.
Bow Valley whispers cold and sharp. Mountains like teeth tear at the dark. Snow in May, falling like ash. Time moves slow, but it moves so fast. Beautiful views, beautiful lies under the Rockies, under the skies. Gondola climbs where dreams collide. Beautiful views can hide inside. Big orange sheep on the ridge, so still. Big elk staring like time's been killed. The air bites back, the clouds just weave. Memories here, they cut so deep. God up there, just the wind. Who's to blame, where to begin? Beautiful views, beautiful lies under the Rockies, under the skies. Gondola climbs where dreams collide. Beautiful views can't hide inside. The bow runs restless, can't hold its ground. The world moves on without a sound. Snow in May, the strangest thing. Winter's grip